Hey, what do it, y'all? Swish Entertainment putting y'all tuned to all y'all favorite rappers and celebrities live. First time these little favorite done for y'all first. Please like, comment, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell as well. That'd be great. So channel put y'all tuned to this story. Now today we'll be talking about Soulja Boy, and today he decided to drop a video speaking recently on his verdict that was given in his court case. This man recently was in attendance of a court trial hearing, specifically on the day of April 10th on Thursday. Soulja Boy, dating back to early 2021, in the month of January, was sued by a woman that allegedly used to work for him. This woman accused Soulja Boy of having sexually abused her and battered her on numerous occasions. This woman also accused Soulja Boy of imprisoning her and holding her against her will. She made the decision to remain anonymous and go by the pseudonym of Jane Doe. Jane Doe claimed to have been hired by Soulja Boy in the month of January in 2019 as his personal assistant. Within the following month of February, Jane Doe claimed that she was raped by Soulja Boy during a police raid at his Malibu Hills mansion. Next, Jane Doe stated that Soulja Boy had assaulted and sexually battered her for more than a year following these events. Jane Doe had conceded that during her time working under Soulja Boy as his assistant, that they got involved in a relationship, which was in fact consensual. Soulja Boy, during his final court hearing in which his verdict was given, had conceded to having referred to this woman as his assistant. Evidence provided in this court case would show footage of Soulja Boy referring to this woman as his assistant at a Louis Vuitton store. Soulja Boy, however, had denied ever having hired this woman during the time that they were involved with each other. Now, because Soulja Boy was found liable in the sexual assault and battery court case, the rapper was fined $4 million as he is expected to pay this for the damages inflicted upon Jane Doe. The jury found Soulja Boy guilty of sexually harassing his ex-assistant and intentionally causing emotional distress. Now, video footage of Soulja Boy speaking on his verdict will be provided for viewers to watch shortly.
Think I touched that y'all crazy. From now, I'm in the world. I'm that made Pretty Boy swag. Come on, man. If y'all don't see they out here trying to attack all our black rich, man, I don't know what to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know all my haters gonna be popping it, but guess what? They gonna pop it regardless. Whether you doing good, whether you doing bad, your haters always gonna talk. They out here trying to take down all the rich black. They mad cause I own my own. I ain't signing no. You know what I'm saying? They trying to take it down. How did got all this money? How you got all these stores? How you got all this? So they gonna try to lie, make up on me. Cause I'm the first rapper to do this. You feel me? They did the same with Jay-Z. They did the same with P. Diddy. They did the same with everybody.
So Soulja Boy, in the beginning, he denied ever having touched this woman. They decided to accuse him. Next, he had given praise to himself for the many achievements that he has gained during his time as a rapper. Soulja Boy, venturing forward, would attribute his legal issues to his skin color and claim the justice system is trying to take him down because of that. Soulja Boy was also suggestive that the justice system's motive for finding him was because he owns stores and that he is not signed to anybody as an artist. In addition, he had made the decision to bring up the prolific names such as Jay-Z and Diddy. The Atlanta rapper had drawn comparisons between the lawsuits that they had faced and the current lawsuit that he had just dealt with. Now, when he says that they did the same thing with all three of them, this may not be a legitimate statement. It is very likely that it was two entirely different individuals that decided to sue the two veteran rappers and Soulja Boy. And given that the accuser that decided to sue both Diddy and Jay-Z in a November 2024 lawsuit has said that the events had transpired in the year of 2000. The anonymous accuser in this lawsuit accused both Jay-Z and Diddy of having sexually assaulted her at a 2000 VMAs after party. This anonymous Jane Doe's father also played a role in this case, as he had done an interview clarifying the details that Jane Doe had given regarding both Jay-Z and Diddy. The Jane Doe that had filed this lawsuit also made the claim that she was at the age of 13 in the year 2000, which very likely means that this woman is middle-aged, either at the age of 36 or 37. Meanwhile, when it comes to the other Jane Doe, she did not give up an age at the time that she was involved with Soulja Boy, allegedly working as his assistant. Neither are there any reports of her father having involvement with her lawsuit filing against Soulja Boy. Now, mind you, this does not serve as confirmation that the two Jane Does that have sued Jay-Z, Diddy, and Soulja Boy are two different people, hence the reason why they are anonymous. Soulja Boy, in his court trial hearing on Thursday, had denied ever having assaulted Jane Doe. The defendant had continued on to convey that this woman served him no purpose while staying in his house other than rolling his blunts. Soulja Boy's attorney also made sure to co-sign his statement regarding Jane Doe's role during their time together. Not only that, but Soulja Boy had unveiled that him and Jane Doe were involved in an on and off fling that was consensual. Southern California reporter Megan Cuniff, when speaking on the verdict reached in this lawsuit concerning Soulja Boy, said that the lawyers working under Jane Doe plan to pursue Soulja Boy for up to 20 years if he does not pay the fine of $4 million that he was issued. But yeah, that's cool. Cap out me and let y'all think in the comments. What do you all think of the verdict that was given in his court trial on Thursday? Jay? Do you all think that he made valid points or not? Do you all believe that Soulja Boy will pay off the $4 million that he was found liable for in his sexual assault and battery case? And to cap that out, do you all think that Soulja Boy's recently concluded lawsuit compares to both Jay-Z and Diddy's lawsuit dating all the way back to November in the year 2024? Let all of you know in the comments, yeah, that's gonna do it. I'm out.